Hello everyone. So today I'm going with my great friends and colleagues to try my new drone for the first time. So we are on Wakra Beach. I'm gonna show you some. This is my friend Najm.
Hey everyone, how are you doing? So today we are gonna enjoy this beach. So Nizar has bought a new drone, so we are going to try his first flight. So he will be learning how to use drone. So have a good time. See you.
Thank you. So this is our great friend Mr. Menelik.
All right. He's a master.
Take this off.
We created an account and DJ Fly.
You ready to see the turn on?
So we have updated the app on the phone.
Okay. Here we go. Now let's do maximum digits, bring it down 120 meters. Auto, let's bring it down to about 20 meters.
20 meters, the altitude.
Caution. Alright, take off a bit.
Send me to go, man.
Oh!
Can't go above 150 meters over here. Now you see on the this is how you see it. That's what the camera is seeing. So it's gonna turn it. That's gonna make it go sideways, that way. That's gonna go turn that way. And turn that way.
Okay.
You go up, go
Up.
down,
Okay.
straight, backwards.
Right, left. Down, right.
Now for the camera view, you will go to
Maybe.
here.
Actually, here.
Okay.
Here.
Like
Here. There is one for camera, one for video.
Oh yeah. That's right. You're right.
But
You're
if
right.
it had a SIM card.
There you go. Up and down. Up and down. Mine is different.
So take a photo for us.
Well, it's not going to stay.
Not on the phone also?
Well, it might stay on my phone. Yeah.
It will stay on the phone.
Yes, it's from the drone, right? Fine. Okay, let's say hi and let's
Wow! It's like a fan! Ah! It's like a fan!
Can you make the camera down? Camera? Get the camera focus and give it a high altitude.
So this is to move the camera. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You can bring the camera.
Okay, like this, you take it to the maximum or maybe.
No, we ain't gonna go too high right now because we ain't got real water.
No, just shake the hands. The camera is recording, man.
Yeah, this is not. I'm not gonna go too high because it's serious. Yeah, I was far away, but just.
So you should focus on what we are looking there.
Mm-hmm. See, but when you put
Okay.
SD card in there, then you can record everything that you're doing.
Okay.
You can go high, then it can fly off.
Yeah.
That's the only thing that I'd be scared of. But it's really good and it's really sturdy, so you don't really have to worry about. But the more you get used to using it, then you can go high and far, because
Yeah.
I've seen some fly off before. And, they can people can find or fly off into the ocean somewhere.
Okay. What about eagles? Like
About eagles.
they might think that it's a bird or something,
That happened before, but that's rare.
but they'll be hurt
That's rare.
because of the fan.
That's not nothing that we are going to worry.
So this is Najm is flying a drone. Yeah.
So that's what we're going to take it over to the school to film the school.
Yes.
Have to go all the way around the school, all the top of the school.
Maybe tomorrow Saturday because it's
that it can save itself from any crashes.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
If any bird comes.
It has back. I believe it has forward sensors.
So the sensor just works from the landing or from any side?
No, not from any side. I don't think. Yeah, not from any
Okay,
side.
I will try.
Just from the front.
Yes.
Perfect. And what about the turning of the camera?
The left one, turn it to the right and left.
No. I guess. Yeah? Wait. Ah, so here is the camera, Nizar.
Yes, if you see. Move it up. No, the camera.
Joystick.
So with this joystick, up it moves up, down it moves down, to the left it turns clockwise, to the right anti-clockwise, then the right joystick, up it will work, it will move forward, down, backward.
Be careful.
So right is its left. Okay. Maybe. Okay, Mr. Malik. I am really aware of it now.
Okay.
So like let's say I want to show your face here. So what about its noise? You
about-
cannot get rid of that.
No. That's just propellers. Yeah. But
Like everyone can know that there is a drone behind my window because of the noise.
oh yeah.
That's a positive thing in it.
Yeah.
So for how long it can work once it's fully charged?
27 minutes.
Every battery works
Yeah,
for 27
okay,
minutes.
Every
I have
battery
3
works.
batteries.
So okay.
So like almost 1 hour and a half.
Mhm.
And you can remotely control it
See how I get hot? See how I got warm?
away from
Perfect.